Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hello, it is time to get ready for tomorrow. I have, this is one of the things I made this weekend, 12 ounces of 93% ground beef. It's like 500 and something calories, so I'm just doing it all. Whoop. And I'll set that back there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some sugar-free ketchup, the G. Hughes ketchup. Hey, something to look for if you are counting calories. G. Hughes stuff is kind of tricky. Sometimes his stuff is like 100 and some odd calories, and some of his stuff is like 5 calories. So that's just something to keep your eye on if you're counting calories. Watch out what you buy, because some of his stuff is pretty high. That was a little bit more than what I want. Hold on. I don't normally put stuff back, but I want 30 grams. I just want 2 servings. Hey, all right. So, I need to write this down. Where's my pen? Ketchup. 30 gram. I also wanted to add some of the G. Hughes honey mustard. And I'm going to do 30 grams of that. If it all fits. If it don't, I'll just do until it fits. Until it's... Alright, good enough. 20 grams. Okay. H. Must. 20 gram. Alright. So I'm going to put my lid on here, and because this is one of those that doesn't seal, we're going to put it inside of a Ziploc bag. Okay. I just think that'd be a good combination. I don't know, I think this, yep, that's those burger patties that I made this weekend. The ones in the big, the ones that I made in the thing. You know, in the thing. I think it's a cookie sheet pan is what I used. So let's put that in there and put this in there. Got to get a good clean spoon. I'm going to take a fork. I'll take a fork just in case I need it. Then we are going to take, where did my little dealies go? We're going to take a Ziploc, and we're going to, I really like these onions, these pickled onions that I made. So we're going to take one. Can't focus on 2 things at once. All right, I'll stab an onion. So there's 1 pearl onion. And this is the one that I made out of the dill pickle juice. You know, you can reuse that juice for anything and pickle whatever your little heart desires. Well, I stabbed 2 onions, and I'm okay with it. Let me zero it out. And onion, 36 grams. Now let me get my lids on. Okay. Nope, I need that still. Okay, slide those back because I'm done with those. And I'm going to take a pickle. And this time, what I'm going to do with it, we're going to see what we think of this. So we're going to put our pickle in here in a second. And then, all right, so we got our pickle. And it is 88 grams. Pick 88 grams. But what we're going to do is, without the sour cream, we're just going to take some of this everything bagel seasoning and just put it down in there. And then we're going to just try it like that without the sour cream tomorrow. It might be disgusting. I might be like, ugh, why did you all let me do that? But you just sit there and smile and be like, because, honey, we can't stop you. You do all kinds of weird stuff. Okay, so pickle. Got the onion. I'm going to take, I've got this Rutabaga soup. So I'll put that over here. I guess it has to go on top. So I'll set you down in there. And I got in my egg muffin. I'm going to take the air out of it. This morning I was just kind of in a hurry, so I just ate it cold. Doesn't bother me. I eat things all kinds of weird temperatures. So now I'll close her up. Wait a minute. I'm going to write down soup. So I already plugged it in. An egg muffin. Okay, I already have some of it plugged in, but the things that I need to weigh, I don't plug in. So there we go. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and we will see what it's like tomorrow. So my plumber's coming, and it's 7:30, and I'm hungry. Well, it's 7:45 now. He's not coming till between 8 and 8:30. So I did my egg like I did yesterday. I don't know, this weekend. Whenever it was, I did it. Whenever I was working from home, I did it that method. Anyway, so I got my egg that I planned to eat out in my van. However, I'm not going to walk through the grass just to walk out to my lunch box. That is too far away. And this ice. Now, if the sun was beating down or something, it might be different, but my driveway is a sheet of ice, and I almost broke my neck walking from my van to my house. But I'm saving the driveway for my guy, so that way he doesn't, have to walk on my driveway and carrying stuff and fall and break his neck. And last thing I need is for me to have some insurance claim. But anyway, so this is the same thing I always eat. It's 3 eggs, some 14 grams of bacon pieces, 14 grams of cheese, and then, like I said, I added just that 7 grams of harissa sauce. And that's what I'm having for my breakfast this morning. I'll just bring the eggs home that I took with me to work. Bye. Hello, it's lunchtime. I've got my Rutabaga soup. I have my 93% ground beef burgers that I made in the pan this weekend. I've got my 3 onions. Got my ketchup and honey mustard for my burgers. And let's try this pickle. So I just dumped everything bagel seasoning. Doesn't really change the taste of it much. I think it's the sour cream that made it really good yesterday. I mean, it's good. There's nothing wrong with it. It just isn't as strong of a flavor as it with the sour cream. But try one of these onions. Hang on. Dill pickle onion. Hang on, now the onion's stuck in my teeth. I bit my lip. Now, our Rutabaga soup. It's just good. You can, Rutabaga. Now, take a bite of burger. I'm going to put just a little bit of this in there. That's my lunch today. See you at supper. Bye. Listen, now that I know I can heat up the Rutabaga or Swede in the microwave for 5 minutes and then wipe all that wax off and then peel it all. Listen, there is no reason, unless your store doesn't carry rutabagas, that you can't be eating this Rutabaga soup. It is so filling and tastes so good. I feel sorry for anybody who hasn't had Rutabaga soup. It's God. Mine has, as you saw me make it, it's got bacon pieces and cheese. Yes, I am food shaming anybody who hasn't tried it. It is delicious. Okay, bye. Okay, unless you don't have access to Rutabaga and Swede, I won't food shame you. If you can't get it, I won't food shame you. I'll still feel sorry for you, but I won't food shame you if you can't find it in your area. But the angels are singing and the heavens opened up. Oh, yum. Bye. Y'all, lunch is my favorite time of the day. It just makes everything better. I just love how happy and full I feel after I eat. Somebody could walk in and punch me in the face and I'd be like, okay, I'm just so full. I got a happy belly. I'm so full right now. Life is so good when I'm full. I just love being full. Okay, I got a problem. Okay, bye. Okay, it's supper time. I'm having steak and Normandy blend. So we gotta season that up. We're gonna do some no salt, some regular salt. We're gonna do some, let's put a little chili powder on it. Whew, that's a lot of chili powder. And let's put some Pauladine silly salt. And then I'm going to microwave this for 2 minutes. And we're going to make up a salad to go with it. Alright. We're going to be on veggie overload today, but I don't care. So, let me zero it out. And let's see how much, if we can get 170 grams in this container. Alright, 160 grams. Oh, I lost my pen. It just so happens my face is right by this. And you're having to hear me chew. Well, shoot fire. Hang on. Okay, we have 160 grams of cabbage. We're going to add some jicama. I don't know how much. Let's just see how much comes out. It just gives it kind of a sweet apple, pear type flavor. Okay, nope, just a little bit more. Okay, 40 grams of jicama. 40. All right. Let's put a little silly salt just to kind of tie it all together. And, okay, put you back there. Salad dressing. We're going to use Skinny Girl poppy seed. Okay. And then we're going to mix that with some Walden Farms raspberry vinaigrette. This looks like it's on its last leg, so let's see if we finish it off. Oh, hair. All right. Okay. So 30 gram Walden Farms, 60 grams Walden Farm, 30 grams Skinny Girl. All right, and we're going all in. We're going to put in some blueberry. Grams of blueberry. Blueberry. 50 grams. Alright, let's pull this out of the refrigerator or microwave. Here we go. Let's see what we think. Yep. Now let's try this. I mean, it's steak. You can't go wrong with steak. I mean, you can mess up steak, but nah. Yeah, that's good. I'm still sore from when I bit my lip at lunchtime, but that's my supper. Bye. Hey there, here's my macros for the day. Thank you for watching, and please click like if you don't mind. Thank you. Have a good evening.